Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for POPCAT price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I would be glad to answer it. So starting with POPCAT on the daily chart, we are looking here at a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 formation towards the upside. We are still of course looking for a wave 3 and then 4 and a 5, which is still unfinished. And that because inside this impulse, we are looking at double 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5 to finish your wave 3 in white, and then 4, 5 in white as well. The good thing that we are looking at here is that this is your biggest impulse wave 1, taking the channel from it as a base channel based on the wave 2 of it. You can see that the price action has passed as this channel and is still ranging in the upper side of it. If you want to stay bullish or like 100%, you would not like to break this channel back to the inside even for a wave 4. It is preferably that you get a wave 4 for the yellow scenario here for the yellow scenario as a sideways or as a flat for your wave 4 and then moving towards your wave 5. Because your wave 2 here in the yellow scenario is very sharp and deep zigzag, it is preferably that an alternation here with a wave 4 to be much more preferably as per Elliott wave theory. Now, if you want to dive deeper inside this area to see how this wave 4 is unfolding, of course, we need to dive inside the 1 hour chart. And in the 1 hour chart, we can see maybe much clearer view what is going on. So as we have mentioned, we are in double 1, 2 here, and you have finished your orange scenario and you are in your white scenario for a wave 3. Where you potentially still looking for a wave 4 here. Let's take a look again what happened lately in the last hours before we move to this. If we got an extended wave 5. So if we are looking here, we are looking of course as 1, 2 and then 3, 4, 5. Potentially this is your 1, 2 here as diagonal, definitely as contracting diagonal. And we are looking at 1, 2, 3, but your wave 4 has invalidated everything. And therefore, in that case scenario, even we cannot call 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. It's not possible because invalidation. So the only way is to count this as A, B, overshooting wave B, and then a C. And then, again, invalidation. That's okay. That is a Shopee price. I think did I mark this as diagonal before? Yes, that is the case. Because we are looking at higher prices, with 5 waves towards the upside. We already made this study before. Now I remember. Sorry, guys. It's already done on the daily chart shown. So let's put it here also. Yes, this is an expanding diagonal, which is very, very rare to see, guys, of course. However, we might, because we saw already 5 waves towards the upside with higher high every time and with lower low every time. Therefore, of course, it is an expanding diagonal because, there is no other explanation for this, even as if I want to take it as ABC or WXY, it doesn't really work. So we have finished a wave 5 or wave 3, and then we are looking at a wave 4 here. Yes, so this is the area what we want to focus on exactly. So what we are looking at here in this area is definitely a correction. And we are looking at 2, 3, definitely this is a 1, and then a B and a C, and then of course it looks like the same what happened with Bitcoin today. It went very, very high and then dropped down again. So what we are looking at is a corrective zigzag here and another A, B, and a C, very, very sharp wave C towards the upside. and then we are looking again for continuation towards the downside. Now, if we go a little bit even deeper, because I would like to count here if we have finished an impulse. Yeah, so this is not like really a Bitcoin, or yeah, it is like Bitcoin, because yeah, we didn't took the high with the wave 5. So yeah, definitely we are looking to an A, and then a B, and then very extended wave C, which it was supposed to be an impulse here. Yeah, and then of course we got invalidation with an impulse now towards the downside, and here we go, we are taking now the low again, and that opens the scenario. Once we take the low here, of course you have to make sure first that we take the low, however very high possibility. Anyway, we are in 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, and that opens the scenario now for another impulse towards the downside, which is a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Now that might bring us, of course, to a lower price, and we might hit the 0.23 fib level. In that case scenario, of course, yeah, let's check just as these fibs, if are taken right. Yeah, this is what I expected. Those are old fibs, so let's adjust. We are talking about wave 4 in white scenario. Here we go. Yeah, so we are expecting a price at 1.4 exactly, right? And we are looking, of course, for an A, B, of course, and a C, reaching the 1-to-1 fib level. Perfect. Yeah, it's a perfect confluence with your 0.23. So that would work perfectly if we if we only hit this level, and yeah, we retrace back. In that case scenario, I would check now our channels if it will dive deeper. So if we go back to our channel here, let me arrange this, and then we open our channel. Yes, so your 0.3. Okay, cool. So as you can see, this line, I know it is a little bit messy, but let me focus here, then it's gonna get much clearer. So as you can see, the 1-to-1 fib level might still bounce even on our base channel, which that is a good indication. It would be good indication if we bounce back only by hitting 1.42 or 1.40 cent for POPCAT. And in that case scenario, you are looking, of course, at A, B, C, and then, of course, finished a wave B here as A, B, C as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially that this is gonna be a diagonal, guys. Potentially. However, so far it is still good in a good range where we might simply hit the base channel, the main base channel, and then continuation towards the upside for POPCAT. So that was it for POPCAT. I hope that you like it. If you did, please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you didn't yet for more updates. See you in the next one. Bye bye.